Are people tuning out during your presentations, meetings, or training sessions? Keeping an audience engaged can be challenging, but AhaSlides provides powerful interactive tools that encourage participation and make presentations more memorable. In this guide, I'll show you how to improve audience engagement with AhaSlides in 2026. Instead of jumping straight into your presentation, begin with a simple poll, word cloud, or fun question. This helps break the ice and encourages people to participate from the very beginning. Add polls at key points during your presentation to gather opinions, check understanding, or collect feedback. Frequent interaction helps maintain attention and involvement. Interactive quizzes can make learning and presentations more enjoyable. A little friendly competition, can motivate participants to stay focused and actively engage. Use question and answer slides to give participants a comfortable way to ask questions and share thoughts during the presentation. Brainstorming slides and collaborative activities allow participants to contribute ideas in real time. This works especially well for workshops, meetings, and team sessions. Use images, short text, charts, videos, and interactive elements rather than large blocks of text. Visual content is easier to follow and helps maintain audience attention. After the presentation, review poll results, quiz performance, and audience feedback. These insights can help you improve future presentations and understand what resonates with your audience. And that's how to improve audience engagement with AhaSlides in 2026. By combining polls, quizzes, discussions, and interactive activities, you can transform passive viewers into active participants. So try these engagement techniques in your next presentation and create a more memorable experience for your audience. Thanks for watching.